like to show you the way you create Google Slides using Google Slides. So if you have an account in a Gmail and you go up here, it will appear all the Google apps you have available. And if you go to your Google Drive, it will bring you up your files and information. It looks like this. And here, if you go to new, say you have Google Docs and Sheets and Slides, we're going over the main features of Google Slides today. Right up here, you want to give a title to your presentation. You have the tab for file. How do you share your file, new document, spreadsheet, presentation, form, or drawing. Import slides, you can also do that, or make a copy, and different other options you have right here. In the edit, you have the undo and redo button, but you can also see that over here in this tab. View, well, this is very easy to understand. Present, and zoom, and ruler, and some other features. Now the insert button is really great, because here's what you can actually see how much you can do with these Google Slides. You can upload your images from your computer or search them in the web. You can insert text boxes, a video, shapes, tables, charts, diagrams, word art. All of these features are really great. These are features that you don't find in PowerPoint presentation formats. If you are working right here, say presentation, all of these will be enabled. So text, type of text, and alignment, and line spacing, and all of these are really easy to understand. Here is where you get a new slide and how you arrange them, and different tools, dictionary, and spelling. And okay, so now that also you have the themes on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks. So here are the slides, and one of the things that I forgot to tell you is that right here in this toolbox you have the undo, the redo button, printing, and this is text box, and you can insert images like I have done. I'll show you in a minute. Shapes, background, change the background, and one thing is that you can also insert documents from your Google Drive, photos, or links, right? Okay, so I will just go ahead and show you how they look. It's very sleek and very nice, and these slides stay in your Google Drive and they're available for you anytime. So thanks for watching.